Alrighty. 1 second. There it is. What's good, guys, and welcome to a new pre-market analysis. I did my forecast on Monday, then had to work like we do these little boot camps kind of things, boot camp kind of things with a mate of mine where he comes over and we just work. So Tuesday, Wednesday, didn't have time to look at the charts or anything. It's Thursday. Sorry. It's Thursday. We're back better, and look at this. Look at that. Look at that. Come on. All the prices are increasing. Our euro prices are increasing. Dollar's getting weak. 1 second though. Right. This is all interesting, but this is all unnecessary. And now we can see that momentum stepped in. I was talking about where I was talking over here where I said like this is all correctional and we need to see a proper change in price behavior. And look what we got. Look what we got. So instead of instead of price returning back into that discount pricing, it just shut up. It just flew up. Now, what does that mean? Well, it didn't have time to balance out this discounted area, and it just turned around and went up. This indicator kind of turning around, and especially on the back of course CPI on Tuesday, but that's of course the news event that could have that that was in line with our analysis, so to say. Well, of course, we expect the price to get into discount pricing. That didn't happen, but the whole move and all that's still played out. And all we can do now is extend this. And we can actually start looking for shorts. We can start looking for shorts. And why can we start looking for shorts? Hold on, let me get everything clear. I always like to double it. So right there, and then just again over here, previous weekly highs. Now we have an extended range. We can look for price to retrace, get into deep discount pricing or get into discount pricing with that nice internal range liquidity. So we got nice way to or targets to trade on the way down. That was Tuesday, Wednesday. So we got what I'm gonna do is just put it slightly above there so it doesn't go with the actually hold on. Can just do it like that. So we got liquidity. We got two previous daily highs up there as well. And instead of taking this previous daily high, I'm going to take this one because this one needs to be taken for me in order to look for trade, not that one. So I take Tuesday's previous daily high and you'll work with that. Nice. So there was this little move. Hold up. That was Tuesday as well. Monday open. There was a nice short trade. Let's quickly dive into that as well. I want to see it for myself. Yeah, right over there. So if we zoom in further, we can see that we have a bullish structure. We get a break entry, but there were no early sellers, so no trade. If you took the trade, what would you got? What would you have got out of it? I think a nice 1 to 4, at least. Maybe not. Maybe I'm wrong. So give it 1 pip breathing room. 4-7. That's deep. That's deep into that range, but stick with that for now. And then this one up there. Oh, not even a trade. because you would have had your stop loss at 3.5 and nothing there. No early sellers, so I'm not bothered. Follow the plan, trust the plan, go trade there. Well, that was what I saw on Monday. Then on Tuesday, we got below that, below here. Oh, actually on Friday already. And then, oh, Tuesday was this move, of course. Check out that high. People try to sell. People try to sell to get below here. We knew that. We already had this move here. Gotta hide it to a low, a bullish break, inducement, not a bullish break, we're bullish, then we're bearish again, take liquidity, to get those equals, and then move to the upside on Tuesday. I'm just quickly just checking everything that happened. We take off that, we can take off that, we can take off that, we can take off that. We can actually take off that as well. We can move that. That. This is still nice. Why didn't I draw on the previous weekly lows? Oh, because it was internal. I remember. And now that's nice. So actually, it's last week's. But why would you take this week's low? Because you need to take both. So that's the previous weekly low. Now, if you zoom in, there you go. Didn't take that yet. Well, that's a nice liquidity point. So there's two options really. Let me check. On range. Down below. Yeah, so we got this one. We got nice. Hold on. I took that internal range liquidity. This area. It's a huge high time frame area, but I don't care. That's looking clean, bruv. That's looking clean. Sorry. That's looking good. That's looking good. And if we zoom into the 1 hour, maybe we get a no, let's keep this area. You can use this one maybe. But let's keep this area. So one thing to notice right now is that we reach back into that premium pricing. We took internal range liquidity. We got into this area. We still have some liquidity up here. So if we look up here, we still have this that we can take out, and that will be a clean area. But other than that, we took all this, reach back into this area. It's so hard to draw things on. Come on, stick. There we go. Reach back into this. So we can look for shorts now. But we got those equals there. Then if we go to the for today, so now we can dive into the day. We have the higher time frame clear. Let's break it down. We have our dark blue structure. We reach into premium pricing, so we can look for sells. We have a nice area where we tapped into. We took internal range liquidity. We took all that liquidity, so we can look for sells. Momentum wise, price is not on our side. We had that huge push with CPI not being on our side, and or not being bearish like this. Or we can see that it's momentum wise, it's not on our side because price behavior wise, it's strong bullish. Now coming into when this was Tuesday, Wednesday, we can see that correctional candle. We can look for longs. If we want to look for shorts, we need a structure to work with. So we go to the lower time frame. What can we see? We can see high, low, lower, high, lower, low, bullish break, bearish break. And we now took that low just about, but it's not looking like clean price action. We got Asia highs up here. There we go. And we've got Asia lows down there. We already took previous daily lows. Took previous daily lows. High, low, lower high, lower low. We have this area here that we can work with. We go to the 5-minute, which we don't want to do, but no, I'm taking this area and everything above the Asia highs. We can look for shorts from there. We can actually mark the structure on. I don't know if it will hold, but we will use it for now. 1 hour, make it green. High, low, lower high, lower low, bullish break, bearish break, return to discount, bullish break, bearish break. That's what we're working with. I can actually leave this one out now because this leg, we already broke bullish, bearish again. So I'm working with this one. This is my 50-minute supply zone. Supply zone. Waiting for price to get above there. Get above this high. And we can look for shorts. That's what I'm looking at for EU right now. If we don't get the shorts here, I'm looking for shorts above here. Other than that, momentum is not on our side, so we got to be careful. And we can look for longs from this area and from this area, following that light blue structure. Why am I still looking for longs on the light blue structure? Even though we got into that this premium pricing of the dark blue, that's because the momentum again, it's still strongly bullish. It's strong bullish momentum, so it's completely valid to still look for longs. Then GU, pretty much same thing there. Look at that move. The whole area just functioned as a GU, pretty much same thing, although GU was still bullish. That was nice because we have that low that led to that high, reached into deep discount pricing, create equals here, but we took internal range liquidity. On lower time frame, we start to form bullish structure. So we actually have realigned structure on GU, which is very nice. We have a high, we have a low, we have a low, we have a high. We have a return to discount pricing. As you can see, you don't even need to draw it out. Don't even. I don't know. My English is rugging me since yesterday evening. We got a high, we got a low. It's not even needed to draw it out completely. That's the word I was looking for. We got equals there, so that's the thing though. But we have a high, low, we have a higher high, and potential higher low. Nice higher time frame area as well, just like on EU. If GU reacts from this area, which is not that deep, not that far away from where price currently is, then GU would probably move from, or EU would probably move from this area because it's like the same kind of distance. Then DXY, yep, that's what I thought. But DXY, nice. Thank you. Thank you, GXY. Although this range now doesn't have any internal range liquidity, we can do it like this. And we can keep in mind that, okay, we don't have much internal range liquidity, so DXY might come above here, fake a bullish break, and then continue bearish. Might come above here, take a bullish range, and then continue bearish. That's nice. Why? Because we got nice liquidity here. On the other hand, we have nice order flow being formed here. So I might take out just this, cut to the highs, and then continue to the down side. Right, was a quick one. Well, it was not a quick one. There was a lot to cover, and I tried to do it pretty fast, so might have missed something, but you can look at the charts for yourself. I will continue in peace and see what else is there. And I catch you guys in the market. Peace out.